Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenny. Are you ready to transform the way you use AI? Today, I'm introducing you to a game-changing platform, an AI agent marketplace. So just imagine a place where you can browse, discover and deploy specialized AI agents tailored to your needs. So whether it's boosting productivity, automating tasks, or even enhancing your business strategies. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the features, show you how to get started, and also highlight how this marketplace can make your life easier. So let's get started. So the tool I'm referring to is a tool called agent.ai. This tool, I believe, is free now because when I checked out if they had any pricing information, I didn't see it. So I'll say that try it out, take advantage of it because it can really help you. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a marketplace and professional network for AI agents and people who love them. So you'll be able to, for instance, browse through the marketplace and then hire an agent to do something for you. And like I said, all this is free. You don't have to pay for it. So as usual, the first step is you sign up. And I always recommend that you sign up because sometimes if you don't sign up, you may lose your work. Sometimes you may think, oh, let me try it out. And then when I like it, maybe I'll sign up. I'll just recommend you just sign up. The good thing about this is that you're able to sign up with an existing account. So like your Google account, for instance. So I'm still going to browse through the agents they have here. So for instance, if you want to generate an image, then they have an image generator here. If you want to do some keyword research for your website, for instance, they have a keyword research agent. They have a meme maker. They have ideogram image generator. So again, if you want to generate image, earnings call analyzer, YouTube transcript generator. Wow. They have a website valuation expert, a website domain valuation expert. They have LinkedIn profile analyzer. Wow. I do see they have a lot of agents here. So for instance, if you're a business and you want to create content for your website, then they have an SEO content optimizer as well. They do have a lot of agents here, which I think is really good. So for instance, trending content idea generator. I'm going to try this first and let's see what comes up. So for instance, in order to use the trending content idea generator, you can just come in here, you click on hire, and then you come in here, you enter a primary keyword or topic. So I'll say AI in business. I feel like I always use this phrase. And let's see, you click on go, and let's see what we get out of it. Oh, cool. Okay, so it did take a while to generate, but I mean, it's understandable. I must also mention that this tool, I think, was built in collaboration with HubSpot. So if you know HubSpot, I think the CEO of this tool is the same CEO of HubSpot. Don't quote me, don't get me wrong, but I think so. Okay, so I got some information here. Number one, the top 5 AI trends businesses must watch out for in 2025. And it gives you relevance and exclamation. It gives you estimated impact on engagements and SEO. So it gives you some ideas on if you want to create content, you want to write a blog post, it gives you ideas on areas you could talk about if you have, let's say, an AI business. I'm gonna go back to the Agents Network tab and then look for something else. So let's say hire, I'm gonna hire this image generator here. So you have to put in a description of an image you want to generate. So let's say happy girl and click on go. Okay, this really looks cool. And then you'll be able to just like save the image or copy it. This is really cool. We can go back to the agents network, and then I'm gonna try one last thing, and then maybe we could look out, and then I can walk you through what other features they have. So YouTube transcript generator, I think this is really good, especially if you are a content creator. I think this is really good. So if you see a video going viral, you want to understand like what sort of things they mention in the video in order to go viral, then you could basically like copy the link to the video and put it in here, and it will give you like, it'll generate a transcript for you. I'm just gonna use my own YouTube channel as an example, and I'm just gonna copy a link from my last video, and then I'll just paste it in here, and I'm gonna click on go. Okay, so as you can see, like it has basically generated the exact script in my video, right? Which I think is cool. So again, what you can do at this point is you can just copy and paste it somewhere, analyze the script, and yeah, I think this is really cool. Now let's see, outside the agents network, they have the builder network. So you can connect your social media account to it. So for instance, you see an agent which you think you built, then you can connect your social media account and claim it. So like these are all the people who were involved in like building all the agents you see on the platform. Now let's click on what is this. So basically, yeah, so like I mentioned, like agents are the new apps. So if you need anything, you need help with anything, you can just come to the platform, and then you can leverage the agents to do whatever work you want them to do for you. So yeah, I think I was right. The co-founder of this platform is a CTO from HubSpot, so not necessarily the CEO. So I think this is really cool. Agent builder. So yeah, if you want to also build your own agents, then you'll be able to do so by just clicking on agent builder. Get started. If I click on request an agent, for instance, you want an agent and you don't find it on the website here, you can request for it, and I'm thinking maybe someone would build it for you. But I think this is a really good tool, guys. It's very good. I like it. I think I'll be using it a lot because it's like a marketplace. I can come in here and find everything I need, which is really good. So I would say check it out and let me know how it goes. And like I said, if you love it, now it's free for now, so you could always like just make sure you're taking advantage of it. But yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.